What's up, guys? Today we are at Hot Rod Rock and Rumble at Pikes Peak International Raceway, the same place we went to Grid Life. This is a 3-day event. I think we're gonna attend Saturday and maybe some tomorrow. Overall, it's basically a hot rod event for like basically 70s, 80s, and earlier and stuff like that. Lots of cool rat rods, lots of cool old school trucks. I didn't charge the GoPro, so it's already at like 17% or some craziness. But we're gonna do the intro on the GoPro for now. Once again, we are here because Car Sponsors is going to pay our entry fees, and well, I mean, what more could you ask just to go to a show? You don't even own a pre like 80s, 70s vehicle, and a company is willing to sponsor your entry just so you can do some vlogging. I think it's really awesome that they do that. So big shout out to carsponsors.com. Thank you very much for sponsoring the entry fee, and I hope you guys enjoy the show. We're gonna do some vlogging on the DSLR camera because, again, I have to wait for the GoPro to charge a little bit. Hopefully we get some cameras on a few cars. So I hope you guys enjoy the show, and we'll see you guys out there. I guess we can go like straight to the gate because we don't need to buy tickets, maybe? I don't know what the deal is, yo. No instructions. I guess we gotta pick up some wristbands. Fair enough. Ooh. Thank you. Shit, can I get those back so I can take a pic? Okay, thank you. I just need them for receipt. We got our little wristband thingies, which are cool because you can just like cinch it up. See? I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Can it see me from like right there?
Yeah, right there is a little bit better. That way it's not just directly your face.
All right, so we're still vlogging on the DSLR camera because, you know, again, didn't charge GoPro last night. I thought I did, but it didn't charge. So right now we're in like the parking / camping area for participants of the show. You can camp anywhere behind me back here, all the way down there to all the way over here on the other end. Sorry if this footage is a little bit jumpy. I don't have a stabilizer for this thing. So you can camp all the way underneath the whole grandstand here. And unfortunately, there's no elevators working because we're remodeling the whole building right now, babe. So otherwise we go to the top first. Take a cool thumbnail.
We can do the straw at the bottom to carry her up.
You don't want to do that. Look at that.
Okay,
that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stories up.
Okay.
We don't want it. I guess we can kind of ask like what the best way to do a stroller is, stairs or something else, huh? If we gotta go.
There's only a couple of stairs.
Oh no, this goes down like 20 feet. Yep. Is there a better way for a stroller to get across?
Oh yeah, the other side. It's over by the field where the campers are over there.
Yeah.
There's like an opening to the track and somebody to walk you across.
Oh really?
Yeah.
All right, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, definitely. Enjoy.
If y'all watched the Grid Life video, then y'all know. I mean, it didn't show it. We only showed the tunnel twice, I think. But me and Shane probably walked that tunnel over here with the stairs behind me, like probably 17 times. It seemed like so many. And that tunnel it's kind of gross. There's like stalactites growing off the walls because of water running down. I'm sure it floods pretty easy. So this gentleman, you guys heard him? He told us there's a little way over here we can get across with the stroller maybe. Somebody walk us across. Hopefully that turns out to be true. What's up, guys? So we're just kind of walking on the side of the track right now, and we're gonna go over here and we're gonna actually cross over the track. So it'll be my first time actually on this track, which would be cool. It's always exciting when you get to walk across the track where everybody drives. But hopefully soon we'll be bringing the shit box out here and doing some laps for sure. Sorry if it's a little bit windy. We're walking like right into the wind. And there's, I mean, it's pretty clear out here. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at a little photo slot. So you can take pictures. That's neat. Never seen that at a track before, to be honest. Little spot where you can take pictures, drop your camera at your own risk. So we're going. Oh, that's because they're driving cars out through here too. That's nice. Well, Drifty Boys left some marks from Grid Life over here. I have no clue where I even want to start this endeavor, but I feel like we're just gonna kind of walk around this way, just check out some cars. We're just gonna zigzag around until we find Travis and stuff, see where he's at.
One look at her, she's oh so fine. I know I've got to make her mine. She's just my kind, can't get her.
Should be a pretty good day.
She's my kind of woman. I need her so. Yeah, my kind of woman. I can't let her go. 5 feet of dynamite will keep me dancing through the night. You know, a black cat got nothing on a lucky man.
Dang. Look at that. So this thing is like crazy nice. Look at the paint on this.
Well, I'm gonna take her to the dance on Saturday night. New shirt, new shoes, no room for oversight. Well, I'll be cooler than James Dean, and she'll be harder than Marilyn. When there's electric in the air, you better be prepared. She's my kind of woman. I need her so. Yeah, my kind of woman. I can't let her go. 5 feet of dynamite will keep me dancing through the night. You know, a black cat got nothing on a lucky man. Yeah, a black cat got nothing on a lucky man.
To learn how to do it.
Oh, you good? I'm video. This thing's gigantic. They guess and say that's probably, yeah, it's a wrap. That's pretty cool, man. Oh, there's that Thunderbird. That's a big ass truck, man. Look at this tiny little wheel, man. Wow. 16.5-inch wheel. Dang, look at the leaf springs on this thing. Those are gigantic. Wow. Big ass air horn right there too. Alright, so far we've seen some pretty cool stuff. We got a guy riding his bike backwards. We got a drift toilet. This is a pretty awesome event so far. That drag car over there was sick, man. It's so loud. I hope the audio came out okay on the camera, but heck yeah, man. What an awesome day so far. We only been here like 10 minutes. I'm already so freaking excited. Man, so many nice cars, guys. Well, look out. Oh, they're just all over the place right here. Yeah. Mini cones. Woo. I think these guys are just kind of doing like open lapping and stuff on the track. Oh, cool dragster over here. Every car here is loud as shit. I mean, I love it. The baby's not so hot about it. She got the little muffs on. Whee! Haha, babies! There's so much to see here already. Like, heck yeah. Import game right here, baby. All right, so if y'all can tell, it's all the way over there to the other side. Holy crap, guys. Oof, that's sick. So I don't even know where we're gonna start. I guess probably like way over there, right? Ooh, they still got the grid life sign up. You think they'll give it to me? We got some more people rolling in. Woo! Hopefully this vlog camera doesn't die. Good thing we got 2 cell phones. Take more pictures. So many like, look, so many like Bel Airs and stuff. Like all the 50s cars, man. Love it. What's up, guys? So I'm sitting here editing the video for the Hot Rod Rock and Rumble 2020 at Pikes Peak International Raceway. It was such a fantastic show, and unfortunately, I have so much footage. I haven't even gone like halfway through the footage from the DSLR camera that I took. I think we're just gonna split it into 2 or 3 parts at this point, because I'll show you guys right here. So I'm at 15 minutes already. I'm blasting through some music. That's 4 different songs from epidemicsound.com. Not sponsored, but hopefully if they see the video, guys, you're the only music service I use, so please sponsor me. Shameless plug there. But I'm going to show you guys the files here. So we're right here on 409. All the way down here is 78 or 708. So it skips when you take pictures and stuff, but I mean we probably have another 30 or 40 files here to even still go through of those. And then we have all this GoPro footage right here that we still need to go through at the top. So that being said, we're gonna have to split this video. Ooh, don't fall. We're gonna have to split this video into at least 2 parts, if not 3. It was a huge event. I'm gonna have a couple of good feature cars in video number 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 1. Editing, drinking a beer. I thoroughly enjoyed the event, so I hope you guys enjoy some of the footage we took. It's on the DSLR. I don't have a stabilizer, so a lot of it's, you know, it's a little jumpy, but I think it makes the video, honestly, 1000% more genuine than if it was super edited and cinematic. It's a rockabilly, hot rod, rat rod show, and I think that honestly this video, it really brings that across. So that's just kind of the way I wanted to edit it. Can't even talk, man. It's like, what time is it here? It's 10 o'clock here. I think we're gonna end the video there, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I really hope you guys enjoyed part 2 / maybe 3. I think I want to keep it about 15 minutes because I want it to stay interesting. I mean, there's so many crazy vehicles in this video. It's absolutely insane. So, hope you guys enjoy it. And come back for part 2. Stupid.